Let's see what's going on.
Just like me. Oh, shit.
All right. She's jumping. Oh.
Woo!
Who did that?
Was that a body part?
And Shayla got that off. I think Javon caught him. Alright, she got that dip.
Oh.
Skill.
I told you, boy. Come on, Javon. Come on. She's trying to tap. Oh! 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 Yeah, oh, she got her hands open like what? Say and what? Say and what? Come on now.
No, you gotta wait.
Look at that determination in her eyes. Look at her. Look at her. Go on, get it. Get it.
Alright.
There you go. There you go. How you feeling, Javon? How you feeling? You feeling alright? He's alright? How you feeling, Shayla?
Good.
Ah, there you go. There you go.
They alright.
Go ahead, Shayla.
Woo!
Alright, Shayla. Gotta put your punch in. Put the punch.
All right now. Keep it going. Work it. Work it. Work the body. Work the body.
Work the body, Shayla. Work the body.
Work the body. There you go.
Punch, Shay. Punch.
Bang! Oh! Woo!
I don't know who's down, Javon.
Yeah, Javon is down. Shayla, look at me. Shayla, look at me. Nah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just go back.
You're back. I'll go bring that goddamn knife.
Now Javon fights back. Javon is coming back. Down to the wire. Oh! Shayla's down now.
No more juice.
Whew, this is a long round right here, boy. She gonna get up.
Down, no more juice.
Oh, she beat the bell just by a little bit.
Punch.
And that's the end of the round. That's the end of the round. We ain't going nowhere. This is action bout right here. We ain't going nowhere. We gonna stay following this one. Let's go. Down to the wire.
Shayla, get him.
He's dipping. Oh, but he got caught with the uppercut. Down to the wire. It's down to the wire. It's down to Javon might have pulled this one out in a stunning upset.
You gotta use your other hand, Shay.
And it's over. Javon is the winner. He came back.
Alright, now your turn.
Oh my God.
Hold on, let me interview the champion. Javon, how did you feel?
It looks physical.
All right. It obviously looked like a tough bout for you. Did you feel like you would pull it out? Very short words from a champion. Shayla, how did you feel about that fight? Bad? What happened? Can you tell me what happened?
I like that.
And she's back at it, fellas. We're out of here.